Hi folks, and welcome to Dutch Cooking. Today we're going to be making this winter warmer rabbit stew. Dutch oven cooking, cast iron cooking, live fire cooking, or you're just here for the recipes, don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to be using charcoal today. We're just going to put our small Dutch oven on. We're going to get this warmed up. To this we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. One chopped onion. I'm just going to cook this onion until it starts to go translucent. We don't want any colour on it as usual. We don't want to add any bitter taste to the stew. After a couple of minutes, once the onion has started to soften, I'm just going to move it to the sides. I'm going to add 2 chopped garlic cloves. And we're just going to cook these out for about a minute and a half. I always like to push the onions to the side so I can see the garlic, because we don't want it to burn and go bitter. Just like that. I'm just going to combine it all in. Next thing to add is 1 rabbit. I've had my local butcher cut this up for me, so we're just going to put it in the pan. Just going to get some colour and seal this the rabbit. Once we've got the rabbit sealed, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 tablespoon of mustard. This is English mustard. To that I've got 1 chopped carrot, 1 chopped potato, and 2 fresh bay leaves. So I'm going to give this pot a good stir, mix everything in together. Now for the cooking liquid, I've got 500 millilitres, that's 2 cups of chicken stock. Should be just about enough to cover this. One final stir. Get the meat pushed down under this stock. We get the lid on and we're going to bring this up to a gentle simmer. So this is what we're looking for, a nice gentle simmer. Put the lid back on and we're going to let this go for about 1.5 hours. So after 1.5 hours, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to add half a cup of frozen peas. I just want to thicken this gravy up slightly, so I've got 1 tablespoon of corn flour that I've added to water just to make a corn flour slurry. Stir this in. Add the rest of it to thicken it. What we'll do, we'll get the lid back on for 5 minutes to cook these peas and thicken this gravy. So there we have it, rabbit stew. Nice thick gravy. So there we have it, our winter warmer, rabbit stew. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.